In this lesson video, firstly, we will introduce polygonal face, irregular three-dimensional object, polyhedra, and then we will learn how to find the volume of polyhedra by taking the examples of square base octahedron and trapezoidal base octahedron. Let us introduce polyhedron, or in plural it is called polyhedra. So polyhedron are solids with all polygonal face. That is, if a solid, that is three-dimensional object, has all faces which is polygon, there is no curved faces, then it is called polyhedron, and in plural it is called polyhedra. So for example, so far we know prism, pyramids. So these are two prisms. It's triangular base prism and this is square base prism. Our prisms are one kinds of polyhedron. Pyramids are also one kinds of pyramid. If we just see this top part, this is a pyramid, this is top part only, then pyramids are also one kinds of polyhedron. And we can see there are other polyhedron. So for example, this one, here all faces are polygon and they are not pyramid, they are not prism, so they are called, in general they are called polyhedron. Now the regular polyhedron whose all faces are same, that is, if the area and shape of all faces are same, that is, all the faces of a polyhedron is same, then it is called regular polyhedron. There are only 5 regular polyhedra. There are only 5 of them. So there are only 5 regular polyhedron possible, which are, this is called tetrahedron. Then there are the polyhedrons are named based on the number of faces they have. So for example, here the base is triangle and there are 3 side faces. So altogether there are 4 triangular faces. So this polyhedron is called tetrahedron. During prism we saw this is a triangular base prism. Here there are total 4 faces, so it is called a tetrahedron. Hexahedron, this one face is square, all of these faces are square. There are total 6 faces, so this is the hexahedron. And during prism we know this is a cube also. This is also called a cube. This is octahedron, that is, there are 8 faces. 4 faces at the bottom, 4 faces of the top. There is no base here actually, only these 4 side walls on the top and there is 4 side walls on the up. So there are total 8 faces. This is called octahedron and all these 8 faces are same. Another regular polyhedra possible is dodecahedron. That is, there are 12 faces, altogether 12 faces here, and each of these faces is like this. Each of the faces are pentagonal face, 1 regular pentagonal face, 2, 3, 4. So there are altogether 12 faces here. It is called dodecahedron. And another regular polyhedra which is possible is 20 faces, which is called icosahedron. So it got 20 faces. So there are only these 5 polyhedron possible which are regular, and these 5 solids or 5 polyhedron is called Platonic solids, as per the name of Greek philosopher Plato, and he named this polyhedron as air, earth, fire, water and universe. So in summary, polyhedrons are 3D objects or solid which all its faces are polygonal. In later slides, we will learn how to find the volume and surface area of polyhedra.